for joining us in our adventure of house hunting. This is our second time that we're going out with our realtor, Jurgen. We're just waiting on him to pick us up. And so just a couple of things that we learned last time and
there he is,
things
right
that are important to us is going to be somewhere with an outdoor area and as well as somewhere for our pets. So we're excited. We're about to get in the car now.
So this is house number 5. It is in an incredible location. We were talking to the realtor. He actually lives on this little area too. They call it La Isla, and it's surrounded on 3 sides by water. It's just a really desirable neighborhood, and the house is huge. 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, green space out here. Probably gonna be an office right there, you know, if this is the one. Area for the dogs. Tiny bedroom with a little bathroom there. Wasn't sure about the laundry outside, but it seems to be the normal around here. They had a little half bathroom through that door, and everything in this house is real clean, modern. So there's that bedroom and extra room downstairs. Then you had 3 bedrooms on this floor. This is the master here. Pretty good size. Views really just to other rooftops, but a lot of closet space. Big bathroom. It's kind of weird. The shower was kind of tiny. It was a big area for the shower, but then they only had half of it, you know, glassed in. So it's kind of weird. But each one of these bedrooms had its own bathrooms. I know that was, you know, something the kids are really looking for, and we did like that. Definitely a lot of space, a lot of room. It's a huge house. There's that 3rd room. And then we didn't realize this was up here, a little bonus. You know, Adria saw the video of this and she said, oh, that's my room right there. They're already moved in their heads. Still a few more to see, but this one is definitely up there on our list. It's a beautiful house. And house 6 was right around the corner, just over the river from the house number 5. Still a very good location. The price was a little bit better on this one, a couple $100 cheaper. And it was still nice. I like the floors here. Had decent views. But it's kind of a weird layout as well. We had the master bedroom and one other small bedroom on this floor with a separate bathroom. It's still a pretty good size and lots of natural light. View there, I mean, you can kind of see through the mountain. So that's not too bad. Then moving on over to the master bedroom. I actually like this one. It's kind of small, but I did like the setup pretty good. I had the big window there with the walk-through closet over to the bathroom. So it wasn't too bad at all. Again, it's, you know, a little bit smaller, a little bit more cramped than the last one. But still, I mean, for this area, for that price, the house had nice finishes, nice modern look to things. Decent view there to wake up to. See the mountains in the distance. And then moving upstairs, there was kind of some interesting stuff going on up here. Again, there was another bedroom up here. And I think over here was the small bathroom. It's kind of an awkward little shower there. The 3rd bedroom here. Like I said, we have the master on the middle floor. Then over here is this laundry area, which is pretty big. Just the washer, no dryer there. Decent little view, you can kind of see through. Now this right here, this little balcony, man, is a good view, but kind of dangerous. It was right there by that other 3rd bedroom. They said they were planning on putting some glass up, but they weren't sure when that was going to happen, so that kind of worried me.
Hey everybody, we're back from meeting with the realtor and seeing 2 different locations. One was in apparently a very requested neighborhood. It was very nice. It checked all of the boxes. It had an outdoor area. It had a backyard for the dogs. I mean, it even had like 3 separate rooms outside. I mean, it was amazing. A bathroom for each of the children and an extra bedroom for visitors. So we're very excited about that one. And then the second one was pretty much just across the river from it, and it was very nice as well. I think it had an outdoor area but not a grass area necessarily, and it didn't have a dryer, so that was kind of a turn off for me, even though it would be fine, but it was also at the top level. So anyway, I think we're probably leaning towards the first one that we saw tonight, so we'll stick around and see what we pick.
Yeah, and as far as I guess the big difference in those two to even consider would be there's about a $300 a month price difference on those two.
Yeah, the first one that we looked at that we really liked was, they're saying $1,100. He thinks he can get them down to $1,000, which was our budget. The other one was $800, which also he said he thought he could get that one down to $750. So, that's going to be something that we kind of discussed as well.
Yeah, I think it was a good trip.
I do too. Very excited.
So this house is quite different than the other ones we looked at so far. Budget was fantastic, coming in about $350 less than what we had planned on, and it's huge. Just every area is just like oversized. I mean, that table there sits for 8 people. A lot of outdoor areas, the big front yard with the waterfall, had the nice private gate and everything. Plenty of room to move around, kind of make it our own. Beautiful hardwood floors. I mean, everything in this house is hardwood. We got this nice porch out here. Be a nice place to sit out there and work. Weather is always cool here. But on this floor right here, we had 3 bedrooms. It's a huge master bedroom and a big round window. You probably saw, from looking on the outside. But you can just like kind of a panoramic view of the mountains there, hardwood built in. There's actually a balcony in this bedroom too. We didn't even know about it. And then 2 more bedrooms, a larger bedroom. He told us with this one he would have a bed in here, as part of the furnished price. Same thing with the TV downstairs. This is the 3rd bedroom, a little bit smaller, shared bathroom for the kids. And moving on upstairs, got a big surprise up here. So this is the one thing this house had that we did not see anywhere else. Short of the first place to view, but only had 2 bedrooms. So, when you come up here, and I don't know, there's another view like this in Cuenca. So just in every direction. it's just mountains. See for miles out there, and then there's actually another level above this where you can even go a little bit higher. And while this one did leave quite a few boxes unchecked, things that were on our list, it's still up there as a top contender once you get up here and see the tranquility and see that view, and there's just really nothing else like it. So after thinking we had our minds made up, we now had to go back to the drawing board and reconsider everything. And we actually on this one decided it was a nice day, decided we were going to just walk back. Didn't realize it was about 1 hour and 30 minutes, but we got to see some horses, and this is that same river back by near where we were. There's a lot to think about though. We're out here was giving up, being close, walkable to things. Left out that extra bathroom the kids were wanting. But again, like I said, we moved across the world for a different experience, and this was definitely the most unique house we saw. So we got a couple, 2, 3 on the top of our list that we had plenty of time to talk about on the way back, and we'll be coming back to you with our final decision. Let us know what y'all think. Let us know which one was your favorite. See you again soon.